Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have one freezer to repair. Yeah, it's not cool. Customers call me. There is light but it's not cooling. Yeah, there is light, compressor and power, both of there is light but it's not cooling inside. Yeah, this is the one of the restaurant. Yeah, this is the restaurant. They call me. Okay, I have turned off it. Then I have removed the cover. Then I have seen there is one cable broken. See that blue cable has broken. This is a neutral cable. This cable has broken by mouse. Yeah, you see it's broken. Okay, so I'll fix this cable, then video will be back. Yeah, viewers, I have fixed the cable. Yeah, both of cable I have fixed. This light cable also has been broken. See this, there is diagram. It should take 2 ampere. If everything is okay, it should take nearby 2 ampere. Yeah, so let me turn on the fridge. Yeah, if it is everything is okay, so should take 2 ampere plus or minus. Yeah, nearby 2 ampere. Yeah, it's taking 2.3 ampere. Yeah, so it's working fine. Yeah, alhamdulillah, it's working fine. So this is my suggestion. If you see your fridge it's not working or something happens, so you just have a look before you call any technician. You just have a look. Yeah, that's it. So now it's working fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.